Welcome back to Bobby's Studio channel. I'm making a video to show you can watch free movies on TV without installing app on TV. It is for digital TV, smart TV, TV box, PlayStation, Xbox, computer or any device with a web browser. As you know, Bobby Movie is free app for you can watch movies, TV shows online and offline. It is compatible with iOS and Android devices. For installation, please go to my channel and watch videos. Let's take app tour. There are so many movies and TV shows in app, I am sure you cannot watch it all. Some important notes for using Cast to Chromecast, Airplay, Wi-Fi Direct features. They must be on the same wireless network. Disable wireless isolation router. Disconnect the VPN. Select TVCast Server before touch Watch Now button. Now first you need to get the movie to watch. These are my Chromecast devices. You should select TVCast Server for watching on TV. Press Watch Now or Episode item to open the app player. Subtitles can be selected later. There are so many subtitles for this movie, but if it is not available for your language, I think external subtitles feature would be a better choice. Please go to my channel with videos to get it works. Now how to stream movies to Chromecast. Chromecast is a device that you can plug into your TV's HDMI port. Press on Chromecast device to connect. You can change another subtitle language, font size, background from app to show it on TV. How to stream movies to smart TV, TV box, game console, Macbook, PC, laptop or any device with web browser on. Press on Wi-Fi icon to enable Wi-Fi Direct share feature. Enter the URL on web browser. It is the red text on app. It is loading web player on the TV with subtitle you've selected. You can change anything from app, but to make it change on TV you need to enable Wi-Fi Direct share screen and reload the web browser. On the screen you can delay or speed up subtitle with time adjuster, skip forward and skip back by 15 seconds, speed up the playback rate, full screen mode. How to stream movies to Apple TV over Airplay? You can use the Airplay mirroring feature of your Apple TV. Go to Control Center. Press on Airplay icon. Select your Airplay receiver or Apple TV. Thank you for your watching.